Hello everyone! In this video, we will explain capturing network traffic tools, understand their significance in network testing, and provide an overview of the advantages and disadvantages of several of the most popular of them. Thank you for joining us. Let's get started. This video is a part of the Udemy course Manual Software Testing Interview Q&A for QA. For more information, check the description below the video. And our first question is, what is a capturing network traffic tool? A capturing network traffic tool is a software or hardware tool used to capture and analyze network traffic in real time or from saved network packet capture files. Capturing network traffic tools are versatile and serve various purposes in different domains. Some common use cases for these tools are network monitoring. Capturing network traffic tools track network usage patterns and trends over time, monitor network health, identifying potential bottlenecks or congestion, and analyze response times and latency to ensure optimal performance. Security and threat detection. These tools detect unusual and suspicious network activities that might indicate malware or intrusion attempts, monitor for unauthorized access attempts and potential security breaches, and identify data leaks or exfiltration of sensitive information from the network. Application and protocol analysis. You can debug and validate communication between applications and services, analyze adherence to communication protocols and standards, and investigate and troubleshoot issues in the interaction between software components. Quality assurance and testing. You can test application behavior under various network conditions and loads, verify the reliability and accuracy of data exchange between components, and monitor application performance during load testing to identify bottlenecks. Network planning and scaling. With this tool, you can assess network capacity and plan for scalability based on traffic patterns, optimize network architecture and resource allocation for future growth, and ensure network readiness to handle increased demand. Regulatory compliance and auditing. You can ensure adherence to industry regulations and data protection standards and audit network activity to maintain compliance records and demonstrate due diligence. There are several tools available for capturing network traffic, each with its own features and capabilities. The popular tools for capturing network traffic are Wireshark, TCP Dump, Microsoft Network Monitor, Fiddler, T-Shark. Within this course, we will explain the pros and cons of several of them, and in the following videos, you'll be able to overview the main components of the Wireshark and learn how testers can use it in their work. Let's explore more about Wireshark. Wireshark is a widely used open-source network packet capture and analysis tool. It allows users to capture and inspect the raw network packets exchanged over a network, helping them understand network behavior, troubleshoot issues, analyze protocols, and perform security assessments. Some pros of using Wireshark for capturing network traffic are comprehensive protocol analysis. Wireshark provides in-depth analysis of various networking protocols, helping users understand the intricacies of network communication. Real-time and offline analysis. You can capture packets in real time or analyze saved packet capture files, making it useful for both troubleshooting and post-incident analysis. Wide protocol support. Wireshark supports a broad range of network protocols, making it suitable for analyzing various types of network traffic. Customizable views. Users can customize column layouts, apply filters, and create coloring rules to focus on specific aspects of packet analysis. Powerful filtering. Wireshark offers complex filtering capabilities, allowing users to isolate specific traffic patterns or communication scenarios. Open source and free. Wireshark is freely available and open source, making it accessible to a wide range of users and organizations. In addition to the advantages, Wireshark tool also has its disadvantages, such as steep learning curve. Wireshark's wealth of features can be overwhelming for newcomers, and mastering advanced analysis techniques requires time and effort. Noisy environment. Capturing all network traffic can result in a large amount of data, much of which might not be relevant to the analysis. Limited context. Wireshark captures only what's happening at the network level, so understanding the broader application context might require additional information. Lack of automation. While Wireshark is powerful for manual analysis, it might not be the best tool for automated unscripted analysis scenarios. In summary, Wireshark is a powerful tool for network packet analysis, providing a wealth of features for diagnosing issues, studying protocols, and enhancing network security. Its pros and cons should be considered based on your specific use cases and requirements. That's all from our side. In this video, we reviewed the main capture network traffic tools. If there are tools that you would like to see and which were not in the video, write a comment or question in the lecture. We hope to see you in the next video.